Hey you guys, it's me Sophia. It's not summer, but I like dancing. We gotta get this party started. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. So today there has been no talks and no vlogs for a long time. So got the chills now. The sun's going down. It's like 6 o'clock. So the sun's going down. Yeah, so got the chills. Okay, so I don't know. So hold on. Okay, so get this party started. Okay, so what do you want to do? Let's go pick some grapefruits, I guess. Okay, so here we go. So right now we're going to go grapefruits. I have no clue why I want to pick grapefruit. Seems fun. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Be careful. Careful. There's deadly. I'm wearing shoes. So. Okay, so let me show you my monster rod. Let's go pick some grapefruits. Ew, grapefruits on the ground are disgusting. Yeah. So, let's see. Ugh, not coming down. No use anyways. Let's go back. I think I remember those eyes. Okay. Happy Turkey Day. So, let's go back. Ew, looks like somebody just had a big bucket of crap. Sorry for my language. I need to mature up. Okay, so we back to the vlogging. Okay, so see, we back in the club. Get that body rocking from. Get that body rocking from side to side, side to side. I don't know. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about. Oh, bye.